The bot created by Marcel is a really good tool to use. It works only in the real market. I tested it this week. I've done a total of 25 trades and I lost 9. Like anything else, nothing's perfect, but without it, especially if you're a beginner, it'll help guide you and teach you to look for market structure. And it does have time frames you can go off of: 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and it calculates the analysis of the market. And when it has a signal, it will let you know to do a buy or sell with the expiration time. So it's user friendly, and it does work very well. And as long as you have a good money management risk strategy, you will end up in time winning more than losing, but you have to have that in play. That's one of the biggest part of trading, is making sure you manage your capital and money correctly for your trades. Thank you.